To play acoustic blues, the open E blues scale is a must, and what I'm going to show you today is the way that you can practice it to optimize how you move around the fretboard so that your fingers move naturally and you're able to use the notes to express yourself. So we're going to look at the scale. Let's just go over it first. So from the low E string we have 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 3. So the first thing I want you to do is practice that and also practice going back up the way. So when we get to the high E string here, we're not going to hit it again. We're simply going to come off and climb up the scale. And then just keep on going. Alright, so that's the first practice. Next, what I want you to try and do is use alternate picking. So you're going down up with the pick all the time. So we've got to go. So down, up, down, up, down, up all the time. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And that will really help you build up speed, and it will keep things natural. When you're down picking all the time, it's hard to keep it conversational because it's just not the way. When you're using a scale, you're speaking, and just like the way you talk, you don't always project your voice the same way. It has got like a certain rhythm to it, and that's what the alternate picking brings to it. So it really is good to practice that, and it's normal for people to start these things down picking, but the quicker you get used to alternate picking, the quicker it will become natural for you. So the next step is to then turn that into triplets. Okay, so we're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And what that'll do is that'll start to make it sound less like a scale and more like a lick. Alright, because it has a certain rhythm to it and it doesn't sound as like that, which doesn't sound very musical at all. So let's climb up and down the scale using triplets and alternate picking. Okay, and the more you practice that, the more benefit you'll get out of it. So the last stage of this is to add in the extension of the E blues scale. Okay, so that's 4, 3, 5, 3, 5. Obviously the 3 is already part of the scale, but it's just nice to visualise it. This little triangle box thing. Alright, so the way we're going to add that in, nice and slow, I'll climb up. So when I get to 3, I'm going to just slide up to 5. Alright. Alright. I'm going to come back to 3 again. 5, 3. And then I'm going to slide 4, 2. And back up the scale. So nice and slow again. And once you start putting all these things together, once you start playing licks and things just start to sound a lot better and a lot more natural. Alright, so have fun with that, and I'll see you soon with the next lesson.